My wooden horse, so strong and tall, ready for adventure, standing tall, with painted eyes and a mane of yarn. We'll ride together near and far. Clippety-clop, clippety-clop, my wooden horse won't ever stop. Round and round we go so fast, adventures waiting built to last. We'll ride through fields of green so bright, past sparkling streams in the morning light. We'll climb the hills and valleys deep, our wooden horse secrets to keep. Clippety-clop, clippety-clop, my wooden horse won't ever stop. Round and round we go so fast, adventures waiting built to last. Sometimes we'll gallop, sometimes we'll stroll, our wooden horse takes its gentle roll. A faithful friend, always so true, adventures with you, me and you. Clippety-clop, clippety-clop, my wooden horse won't ever stop. Round and round we go so fast, adventures waiting